I left your phones inside. Where is it? In there are ducks. Right? I said in the tall grass. The tall grass you were standing by.
Maybe that's what we heard thinking I was running.
Yeah, the quacking. Yeah.
It sounds like the part.
Because I saw one of them fly out.
Push
Here, we'll push you in and you can find it.
No, they're scratching it.
See?
I don't think it's in there.
It is. I'm telling you. Or frogs.
Yeah, this thing will be awesome for fishing. Except you don't get anywhere very fast.
That was fun.
Yeah, put that little trolling motor in it.
Hello, Lieutenant Dan.